Make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if you should swallow the capsule whole, chew it, sprinkle it onto food, or mix it with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to measure the dose. Do not use a regular spoon. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, like bifidobacteria. If you're taking antibiotics, take the probiotic at least 2 to 3 hours before or after the antibiotics. Make sure to follow the directions for your specific product. If you're taking this product for diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless your doctor tells you to. If your symptoms last or get worse, or if you think you have a serious problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating that persists or worsens, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Serious side effects that should be reported to your doctor immediately include signs of infection, such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While a severe allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of potential side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your healthcare provider. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking L.Acid gas Rham-B.Bifid, long capsule, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have certain health conditions such as prolonged diarrhea, weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you have diabetes or phenylketonuria, be cautious as liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets may contain sugar and/or aspartame. It's best to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely if you need to limit or avoid these substances in your diet. Before undergoing surgery, it's essential to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, this product should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unclear whether this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking L.Acid gas Rham-B.Bifid long capsule, it's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications. This could affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Be sure to discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider before starting L.Acid gas Rham-B.Bifid long capsule. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the United States, you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's important to keep all your medical and lab appointments when taking L.Acid gas Rham-B.Bifid long capsule. Some brands may also contain other ingredients, like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in your brand, make sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Probiotics like L.Acid gas Rham-B.Bifid long capsule may have different storage requirements. Some may need to be refrigerated while others should not be. Be sure to check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your probiotic. If you have any questions about storage, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. It's important to keep all medications, including probiotics, away from children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of this product, make sure to not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure of how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.